In this video, we'll be diving into how to assign travel budgets in Navan, a streamlined platform that makes managing corporate travel budgets easy. If you're someone new to Navan or just looking to get a better handle on how the budgeting feature works, this is the guide for you. Stick around because I'll also be showing you a couple of pro tips for getting the most out of the tool. Navan simplifies travel planning and management, and assigning budgets is an essential part of that. The first step in Navan is to log into your account and access the company or team you need to manage. From here, you'll find the budgeting section in your dashboard. Now, assigning a travel budget is as simple as it gets. You can start by setting a budget for a specific trip or across a broader time frame, like a month or a quarter. In the dashboard, click on the Assign Budget button, which will prompt you to input details about the budget. This includes how much you're willing to spend, which categories that budget should cover, like flights, accommodations, meals, or transportation, and which team members the budget applies to. Navan makes it even easier by letting you set different budget amounts based on different team roles or departments, so you can customize spending limits as needed. For example, executives or VIP employees might have a different budget compared to other employees, which helps ensure you stay within company guidelines without worrying about overages. You can also assign budgets by setting specific thresholds for individual expenses, like per diem or hotel stays. This level of detail allows you to be as specific as needed, ensuring team members stay on track while booking travel. Once you've set up your budget categories and amounts, Navan will give you an overview of how much has been spent and how much remains. The software also helps you track expenses in real time, giving you updates as bookings are made. This ensures that the budget is adhered to throughout the trip and you can monitor spending without hassle. A major advantage of Navan is its integration with other travel services. As your team books flights, hotels, and other travel necessities, Navan automatically updates your budget to reflect those changes. So, you never have to worry about manual updates or tracking each individual expense manually. But here's a little pro tip. You can set notifications to alert you when you're nearing a budget limit or when a specific category is running low. This feature is super helpful in preventing any surprises and helps keep everything aligned with your company's travel policy. And here's something you'll definitely want to know. With Navan, you can also analyze past travel expenses to improve future budgeting. This data-driven approach lets you understand trends, spot areas for improvement, and optimize future budget assignments for better efficiency. By now, you're probably seeing how simple and flexible Navan is for managing travel budgets. Whether it's assigning budgets for individual trips, tracking expenses in real time, or adjusting categories on the fly, Navan gives you all the control you need to stay within financial limits. If you're looking to try out Navan for yourself, you can actually do so for free with our exclusive extended trial. You can start using the platform right now and test out all its features, including assigning travel budgets, without any upfront cost. Just click the first link in the description below for access. Now that you know how to assign travel budgets in Navan and how this software can make your travel planning simpler, I encourage you to give it a shot. Don't forget to grab that extended free trial and see just how easy it is to streamline your travel management today.